Hello everybody, my name is Lexy and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make some color changing slime. The ingredients you're going to need for this color changing slime are Elmer's color changing glue. You're also going to need saline solution. You're going to need baking soda, a bowl and a spoon, and also you can add some decorations if you'd like, but this is an optional. So let's get started. The first ingredient is this color changing glue. Let's add it into the bowl.
Sounds like a fart.
I know, right? Okay, this seems about enough.
Where did you buy that, Lexi?
I bought it at Walmart.
Okay, people can buy it at Walmart.
Yes.
What's next?
Next, we're going to add baking soda. But a tip for me is don't add too much or your slime will become really rubbery and hard.
Yeah, don't do that. So we're just mixing it.
So let's mix all the baking soda up. And also don't add too less because then your slime won't activate.
True.
Now for the fun part, let's add some decorations. This is an optional part, but I'm going to add glitter to make it nice and sparkly.
Okay.
That seems like that's enough, right?
Yep.
Now let's stir it all up. Ooh, look how pretty it is.
Can I see?
Yes.
Oh, that's very pretty.
Thank you. Now let's add some saline solution to make it the slime.
Where'd you get that?
We got the saline solution from Target.
Okay.
So it's available at Target. As you can see, it's starting to clump up a bit, and that's when you know it's becoming the slime. If it's still too sticky, then add some more saline solution.
That's still too sticky, so you could add more?
Yes. I was just testing it out. Okay, this looks like it's becoming a little bit less sticky. Now you're going to knead the slime until it's a nice, even, stretchy consistency. And if it's flaky and hard, that means you added too much activator. And if it's all melty and sticky on your hands, then you didn't add enough.
So what do you think that is?
This is a perfect slime. And I think it's at a great consistency.
Okay, that's great.
Now I'm going to get a little bit more saline solution. And now let's watch the magic happen. Let's go bring it outside and see it wash the colors. So this is the slime. And we're about to bring it in the sunlight, but this slime changes color really quickly. So come on, let's go. Look! Whoa! It's already changing color. That's so cool. Wow.
So from blue to purple so quickly in
I
2
know.
seconds. That's amazing!
That's
And then if you put
amazing.
it back in the fridge, then
If you put it somewhere cold, it goes back to its original color, which is blue.
that's awesome. What do you
This is
think?
an
Do you like
awesome
it? Do you like the glue?
I love this glue. I totally recommend you buying it. There's another version of color changing glue, which is actually an orange color, but we bought the blue to purple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have never made slime before, I highly recommend you to try it because it is such a fun, awesome activity, and there are so many recipes for slime anywhere online. So if you want to go make slime, just check out on YouTube and all these other websites that you can find.